Good morning children, welcome to class 5 social studies. So in yesterday's video also we discussed about the land Greenland. So the same thing we are going to discuss children. So from the mind map I am going to discuss with you the important points of Greenland children. So the first one comes your location. So where is Greenland located? So when you read it in the textbook, see to the map and study children. I am insisting on that you read along with the map, then you will always remember in your lifetime. Okay. So location, it lies in the frigid zone children. Okay. Frigid zone, that is your tundra region. Okay. Frigid zone, and then it lies to the north of Arctic Circle. Okay. North of Arctic Circle. North of Arctic, and then it is the largest island. Okay, largest island. It is your largest island. That island means covered by water on all sides. And then next one, it was a part of Denmark. So here they have used the word territory of Denmark. Okay, territory of Denmark. And then next one, its capital is Nuuk. Okay, its capital is Nuuk children. Okay, capital is Nuuk. Then coming to the climate, as it is covered with the snow throughout the year, it is extremely cold. Extreme cold children. Okay, it is extremely, that's why they have used the word extremely cold. The next one, it snows heavily. So throughout almost you will get the snowfall over there children. Okay. For us from seeing from here snowfall we will feel very happy. But for those people seeing that only they will get sometimes bored children. Okay. Continuous daylight for weeks. So during summer time they get the continuous daylight children for weeks. As far as the night time, it is a chilled winter night only. So in the winter season they will have long time of winter. Okay. So daylight for weeks children. Okay. The next one, you yesterday also we saw it will have a chilly winds blowing up to the speed of 150 km per hour. Okay, chilly winds, it blows up to 150 km per hour. The next one, the life of people children. So two types of people are living over there. One is Eskimos or Inuits. Okay, Eskimos, another name is Inuits children. Inuits and Danish people. Denmark people only, they are being called as Danish. For Spain, they tell it as Spanish, no? For India, we tell it as Indian. Like that, for Denmark, it is Danish children. Okay? Then this is Inuits or the Eskimos are the original people living over there. So they use the word inhabitant. Original people, okay? Original inhabitant. They use the word inhabitant. Okay? You should learn this meaning for this one children. Inhabitant means people living over that place. Okay. So originally they are the Inuits children. They wear clothes made of fur with hoods. So covering their head, jackets, high boots, double trousers. Okay. So they have to protect from the cold, no? So they use cloths like this children. And then the main occupation is fishing, hunting, mining and trading. Okay, you can't do agriculture over there as it is a ice covered land. So mainly their food, fishing, hunting, mining and trading children. Okay, and they need the transport not to move from one place to another. So they use the sledge using the dogs or the reindeer children. Sledge, and they when go out to the sea means they use the kayak, boats children. Okay, kayak. The boat name is kayak. And then mining to take take out minerals and trade in children. Okay, and then these Inuits or the Eskimos live in igloos. So from 4th standard you would have studied Eskimos live in igloos. Okay, this is house made of ice, children. And then as the technology and many advancements are there, their lifestyle also has changed. They use now motorized boats when they go for hunting, and like a bike or a jeep which can go over the snow, no, like that mechanized vehicles they are also using, children. Okay, and what are the animals you can find over there is musk ox, reindeer, Arctic fox, seals, polar bear and huskies. So in the flag of Greenland you have two things, children. One is the picture of polar bear and the blue color. The blue color represents the sea, children. It is surrounded by sea, no. So the polar bear indicates that it is fully covered by snow and it is the animal living over there. So the flag of Greenland has polar bear and the blue color. Okay. And what are the relief features if you find means it has got a mountainous surface. Okay, so many mountains are there. It is covered with fully ice cap and snow, and there are floating icebergs, children. Huge piece, big size of ice will be floating on the sea, children. Okay. Then you have the vegetation. So yesterday's class also I told you that they will grow on the surface level only, like mosses and lichens, and a smaller height means shrubs you can find, children. Then other trees are blueberries, cranberries. Okay, these are fruits, children. And the towns, important towns are Holsteinburg, Upernavik, Ammassalik, Sisimiut and Ilulissat. Okay, little difficult on pronunciation. Okay, once again I read. Major towns are Holsteinsburg, Upernavik, Ammassalik, Sisimiut and Ilulissat. Okay, like that. So nowadays as technology has improved, so the airways and transport, okay, mainly airways and waterways have improved, children, and they have modern facilities with schools, colleges, market, post offices. Okay, and they build their house made of wood, as they can import the wood, children. Okay, so take your textbook and read it, children. By this lesson is over. I will give you the notes, children. Thank you.